Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and welcome to my bedroom. We're in a little bit of a different filming space today because we are going to be trying on some new clothes. I realized that there were some holes in my wardrobe. Since I stopped working and since the birth of the twins and the changes that my body went through during that period, after that period, I just have a lot of holes in my wardrobe. I have a lot of work clothes that I don't need to wear anymore and that aren't really comfortable for wearing around the house, and certainly not something that I really want to get drooled on and sneezed on and food thrown on and, you know, all the things that come with being a mom, as many of you may know out there. So it was either that, or I have a lot of clothes that are far too big for me, maternity clothes, or just some really frumpy around the house loungewear that I've been living in for way too long. So I decided to jump on Amazon and try to pick up some spring items that were kind of appropriate for where I am right now, but that weren't total frump fests. So let's see what I picked up. We'll try it on together and you can tell me what you think I should keep and what should be returned, which returning things is a little bit expensive because I end up just taking it back to the Kohl's because they do the free thing, but it isn't all that free when you find other stuff to buy when you're there. So let's start with the first thing. So the first thing is this right here. It is is this considered a tank top? It's more like a muscle tee, to be honest with you, but I thought it was really cute. It says sunshine and coffee on it. Okay, here's the first one. This is definitely the most casual of items that I got. It's the only one that doesn't have any sleeves, but I really liked the coffee and sunshine on the front. I thought that, at least for me, because I'm a huge coffee drinker, seemed super appropriate. I don't own a lot of tank tops because I'm not 100% comfortable in them, but I don't know, I thought, at least on the model, it was cute. What do you guys think? Is it a win or is it a return? I'm not sure. You let me know. So yeah, that one I'm on the fence about. I'm probably gonna need to kind of try it on a couple more times to see how I feel about it. I don't know. I love the idea of it, but I just am not 100% sure about how I feel in it. Let me know what you think of it. Is it cute or is it something that I should take back? The next thing that I bought is because I'm a big old nerd. It's just a graphic tee, but it says vintage 1981, all original parts, and I thought that was hilarious. All right, so I love this one. I knew I was gonna love this one just because I love what it says. It says vintage 1981 and then it says original parts. You may know that next month I will be turning 40, and so the vintage 1981 just seemed perfect. I don't know how Amazon knew to pop this up for me. I'm kind of creeped out by it, low-key creeped out, but I kind of love it. And I like the color. I think the color is very flattering on me. I have a hard time sometimes with pinks just because of my skin tone, but I think this one works with me nicely, although I might be changing my hair soon, so we'll just have to see. But I do like it. I think it fits well. It doesn't cling too tightly to the areas I don't want things to cling to, and it's very comfortable. The sleeves aren't too tight. I think I like this one. So I do really like this one, part of it because I'm a nerd, but also because it's something that will be very easy to kind of wear around the house. And I feel like the material feels good on it. It isn't something that feels like it's gonna fall apart pretty much immediately, which, to be honest, when it comes to Amazon, since it's such a wide variety of sellers that you don't really know a ton about, it can be a little hit and miss when you get stuff, but I feel like this one is good. So I think I'm gonna hold on to this one. The next one that I picked up, I'm really on the fence about. It has no give to it. It has no give to it, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I want to love this. I really want to love this. I don't think I do. I don't like the material. It's that really sort of handkerchief sort of feel. You might kind of know what I mean by that. There's absolutely no give to this fabric whatsoever, and the bottom is really kind of cinched, and it kind of sits a little bit high, but I love the color and I love the pattern. I really, really want to like this, but I really don't know how comfortable I am in it. But I really want to love it. I want to love it. Tell me what you think and be honest, because I want to love it so much. I want to love it, but I'm so afraid that if I keep it, I might film in it from time to time, which is fine, but wearing something for an hour and then putting it back in the closet, not always the best idea. I want to get good use out of things, and I just don't know if this is going to be something that I wear often. The next thing that I got is this shirt right here. It is a longer sort of t-shirt, but it has this really, really cute floral pattern on the sleeves, and it seemed really, really cute. All right, you guys, this one is my favorite. I like this one so much. I love the color. I love the fabric. It feels like it's got some good weight to it without being heavy. I feel like it's going to wash well and it's going to hold up over time. I love the detailing on the shoulders. I think this is so cute and it feels really good. I feel like it comes to, you know, a good length. It covers my little tush back there and it doesn't cling, but it still feels good, like I'm not wearing something oversized and frumpy. I like this. I like this one a lot. So this one is definitely a winner. I really like this a lot. In fact, I kind of want to get back on Amazon and buy some more in different colors because I am that kind of nerd. But I really like it. The fabric feels really good. It definitely has some stretch to it without feeling cheap and flimsy. The seams all feel really good, and I like this one. I like this one a lot. I like it a lot. I think it feels really good. I think it fits really well. And I'm a fan, as you can tell. So the last one that I purchased is this right here. I think this is like an animal print. I'm not quite sure. I know that sounds kind of weird, but I really liked the way this obviously looked on the model because that's the point of models, right? But I think it's got kind of an interesting look to it. I liked this sort of mesh detailing, and yeah. So I kind of feel like I belong on the set of the Flintstones. I feel like I should have a bone through bun in my hair. But I'm actually surprised that I kind of like it. It's definitely a little bit out of the box for me. I don't typically gravitate towards animal print, although I do have a few that you guys have seen. But I do actually, I think I like it. It's got this sort of see-through sort of meshy part right here, which I like that detailing. I think that is pretty nice. I think that the fabric feels good. I was nervous when I took it out of the packaging because it has that no stretch kind of feel to it, but it does have give, and so I think it hangs really nicely. I don't know about washing instructions just because of the feel of the fabric, but I think I actually, tell me what you think, but I think I might actually like this one a lot more than I thought that I would. All right, so be honest. Is it a winner? What do you think? 'Cause I kind of like it. I don't know. It's very different from anything else that I have in my closet right now. And I like that about it. But you have to tell me, is it fantasy Ashley talking, or does it actually look good? I'm not gonna lie, I really and truly need to do a full closet declutter. I have so much stuff in there that I don't really wear anymore. Like I said earlier, I have a lot of work stuff in there, a lot of stuff that I have to come to terms with the fact that I don't fit into it anymore, and that is a hard pill to swallow. But if you'd be interested in watching me declutter my closet, let me know in the comments below, because I would be interested in trying to film that for you guys. So let me know. And tell me what you think about everything. Should I keep it? Should I ditch it? What's the consensus? Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.